Hey Apple fans, if you thought the iPhone 16 was the only exciting release coming up, think again. Rumor has it that the iPad mini 7 is on its way, and it's packed with some impressive upgrades. Ready to dive in? Grab your Apple Pencil because you won't want to miss this scoop. And if you find this info useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. First off, let's give a shout out to Mark Gurman, the go-to source for Apple leaks. He's hinted that after the iPhone 16 launch, Apple is planning a special event in October to unveil the iPad mini 7. Yes, it's happening. But that's not all. Apple Hub on X has shared some exciting details too. Don't expect a major design change, it's going to look similar to the previous model. The 8.3-inch LCD display is here to stay, but there's talk of an OLED upgrade coming in 2025. Patience, everyone. Now let's talk about what's inside. The iPad mini 7 is rumored to feature a significant internal upgrade with an Apple A17 or A18 chip. This is a huge step up from the A15, promising faster processing and smoother performance. Plus, it might support Apple's intelligence tools, bringing generative AI right to your fingertips. And of course, connectivity is key. Expect Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster downloads and fewer connection issues. This mini powerhouse is set to enhance your experience with all your gadgets. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some additional features that make the iPad mini 7 a must-have. The iPad mini 7 is rumored to come with either the Apple A17 or A18 chip, which is a significant leap from the A15 chip in the current model. This means faster processing speeds and smoother performance. The new iPad mini is expected to support the Apple Pencil Pro, making it even more versatile for drawing, note-taking, and other creative tasks. You can look forward to improved connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. This will ensure faster downloads, more stable connections, and better overall performance when using wireless accessories. With the new processor, the iPad mini 7 might support Apple's intelligence tools, bringing generative AI features right to your fingertips. This could enhance productivity and offer new ways to interact with your device. While the design is expected to remain similar to the previous model, the 8.3-inch Liquid Retina LCD display will continue to provide a high-quality viewing experience. An OLED upgrade is rumored, but it might not happen until 2025. The iPad mini 7 might come in new colorways, although specific colors haven't been confirmed yet. There are rumors of increased storage and RAM options, which would provide more space for apps, files, and smoother multitasking. Expect powerful cameras that will be great for photography and video calls, enhancing your overall experience. The iPad mini 7 will likely be compatible with a range of accessories, including smart covers and other peripherals, to customize and protect your device. These upgrades make the iPad mini 7 a compelling choice for anyone looking to enhance their tech setup. Are you excited about any specific feature? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest Apple news. See you in the next video.